Are you having quality issues on your Pinterest app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had a lot of quality issues before on my Pinterest app, but now I have actually been able to fix this issue. So what I did myself is that I firstly closed my Pinterest app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just opened up the settings app on my phone, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what I did on this page is that I scrolled down in here, and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general in here, as you can see, because now you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now in here I just scrolled down and I clicked on storage. So just wait for all the apps to load, as you can see, and now when it's done we can just swipe up like this until we can see the search bar up top. So click on the search bar, search for Pinterest in here, and click on the app. Now you're just going to click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Now just simply wait for your Pinterest app to completely update to its latest version. And by the way, this might take a while for some of you. For me, it did take a couple of minutes. Now when it's done, go back into your Pinterest app and try once again. For me, this actually fixed the quality issue, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.